Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you a tutorial on using Raket.ph. First, let's create an account. Visit the Raket.ph website and click on the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose to sign up using your email or a social media account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings to add information about yourself. A well-rounded profile includes a professional photo, a short bio describing your expertise, and details about your skills and experience. This step is essential as a completed profile attracts more clients. Rocket.ph may allow you to add examples of previous works to demonstrate your skills. If available, upload portfolio samples or links to showcase your best work. After that, you can now upload your first service. Go to the dashboard or My Services section and select the option to add a service or create a listing. Enter the service title that describes what you offer, such as logo design or content writing. Write a detailed description of the service, including what clients can expect, turnaround time, and any specific requirements. Set a price for your service, and if applicable, select categories and tags to help clients find it easily. Once done with that, review and publish. Double check all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy and professionalism. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your service live on the platform. Then you're now ready to attract clients and start working. Keep refining your services based on client feedback to maximize your success on Rocket.ph. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.